Well, I know it's a shame I can't show it. And I see it, I can see it now, but I'm so far below it. Don't wanna talk about it. I say why not, don't wanna think about it. I say there's got to be some good reason for your little black back up smack. Turn around, he's on his back and don't wanna tango with you. I'd rather tango with him. I think I'm gonna bash his head.